I've got a brand new update to this system. Now you can create these entire pages in seconds using a built-in AI tool. And the AI will just create the entire page for you within seconds. Literally, guys, I'm just going to show you exactly how AI is just going to create these pages. Now, for those of you who are brand new, what are these kind of pages? Well, they are not regular landing pages. They are team duplication systems. They've got a built-in rebrander tool right down here that your team can use your page that you create using AI. And they put their user ID of the company that you guys are promoting. And they click rebrand, and then they get their own link to share out. It's so simple. All they do is put in their user ID and then copy the clipboard, and then they just share that link out. And the call to action button goes to them. So you create this page, you put your video in here, presentation, whatever, and all the text is completely customizable, and you get to edit as well. But now we've got a brand new AI tool that you can use. So you can create these pages. You can either create from scratch, implementing it exactly the way you want it, fine precision, text, whatever you need, or you can use AI, but you still get control. So here's our new AI tool. It's automated. So all you need to do is to put in, for example, the company name. Let's try Live Good. And obviously you'd put the company, the URL. So whatever referral link that you would normally use with your ID right there, the full referral link you put there, and whatever you put here, just grab that and then put it in as the default user ID. So the system understands where the rebrander needs to be within your URL. And then you just put a video presentation, whatever. So let's say, for example, the video that you use to promote your business. It can be a promotional video, a VSL, whatever. And then you just describe the company that you're a part of. I'm just going to pause the video. So what I've done is I just described the company that I'm promoting in your own words, because this is not going to be used. This is just feeding to the AI, and the AI will do the whole articulating about the content and everything. That's all you need to do, guys. So those little bits there, and then you just simply click generate, and it'll just get to work doing its thing. You give it a little bit of time and it's done. And your page is complete. You can view your page, and there is your page. It's got your video there. It's got some bullet points. It's got the call to action. It's got your features, and it's got the rebrander system built in. And you can immediately share your link out with your team, and then your team can rebrand it for themselves. They can get their own links, and your entire system has been built within seconds. What would normally take probably weeks for a developer to code this, because guys, this is not just a static landing page. You're not using a page builder just to build your own pages. You're building your entire team system for your downline to use, your page, your system, and it rebrands. So for example, if they click this link here, it'll go to you by default. But if, I don't know, Peter, for example, if Peter exists, and they rebrand it and they just use their link with their user ID in the URL string. And then the leads, obviously Peter shares their link out. The leads go here and they end up on Peter's page, whoever Peter is. So that's how it works. And you can build this with any company imaginable. If you remember, I just basically filled in the form and let AI do the work. So within seconds, you can have an entire team duplication page fully set up, ready and live. I hope you like the system. Come on in and click on the link below. Look forward to working with you guys, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.